So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the best Redbubble shops that I've seen submitted by you guys. I'm going to be calling this something along the lines of 5-star Redbubble Shop Reviews, maybe something like that. And yes guys, a new chapter is upon us. We have recently surpassed 20,000 subscribers. Couldn't have done it without you guys. So I just want to quickly say thank you for that one. If you're ready for this video, please do drop a like. Make sure you're strapped in. And with that said, let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. If this is all new to you and you're interested to learn more, please do click that subscribe button with the notification bells turned on. We've actually helped a lot of people on this channel get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. Down in the description as well, I also have a free print on demand starter guide that features a lot of the information that I used when I first started. And on top of that, for anyone looking to make this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide. So how this is going to work, guys, I'm going to be taking you through 5 shops, reviewing them with a little bit of a twist. Today's video is going to be a lot quicker than my other reviews, and I'm going to do my best to make it short, sweet and informal for you. And for those who have been wondering where I was, what I've been doing, I've recently not been making any videos at all as I was ill. I actually caught COVID. It was just a big downer on things, but it gave me time to think, and because of that, we're coming back better, stronger, and you soon see in my upcoming videos. And if you want your shop to be featured in a future shop reviews episode, make sure to submit it on the link that's down in the description, and I'll try to get through as many shops as I can. Trust me guys, there's a lot. So this is the first shop we're jumping onto, guys. As you can see, the banner, the logo looks fairly good. I mean, in terms of the logo, I would match it up with the banner a little bit more myself, but that's just my OCD. This person has 295 designs on the shop, which is always good to see. A featured collection, which not a lot of people use, as well as collections just below that. All of this is important to make scrolling through your shop a lot easier for the customer. Scrolling through the shop, I can see they have a range of designs on stickers to t-shirts. The person who's currently running the shop, it looks like they know what they're doing. The one thing that I would advise them to do straight off the bat is to be checking copyright on the designs they put up. For example, Gotcha hat is something that was immediately pretty much copyrighted by, I think, Jake Paul not long after he said it. So anyone trying to sell that on a product could end up having problems where the design gets taken down. I understand not a lot of people know that, so I'm just letting this person know. And one thing this person could definitely easily do to boost this shop is to use more sticker packs. That's where you have more than one image on one sticker, and to also scale design. So that could be in color. So you see this design here that says Free Gaza. This could be in different colors just to allow them to build up their shop a lot quicker. Now I'm going to click on one of these designs. The title for this one is Cat No Feminist. Now this is a feminist / cat based niche design from what I can see here. And as I scroll through there, the main things we'll look at is how many products this is activated on. So I'm seeing 87 there, which is always a good sign. They have pretty much activated everything, but not quite everything. So that's something they'll definitely need to look into. And in regards of the tags, they've used quite a lot of tags. I would recommend them to use a little less tags, but to keep the same energy in regards of how they've actually gone about using keywords in the tags, which is always good to see. I mean, the person who's running this shop, main things to take from me is to make sure that you create sticker packs, you create more scalable text-based designs. Trust me, that will boost the shop up. This is more of a 4-star base shop, but we will come across the 5-star base shops. Don't you worry, guys. And with that said, that's gonna lead us straight onto our next shop, and this is our next shop here, guys. As you can see, it is called Viz CWNT. I'm not too sure if that's got a special pronunciation, but the banner and the logo here match up nicely and look very professional. The person has 101 designs, which is always good to see. I always push you guys to get to 100 designs before you review your shops. Once again, they've got a featured collection at the top with more collections just below. They're focusing on an upcoming holiday, which is Father's Day. For those who don't know, it's coming up very soon, and I would recommend you guys to actually create designs for that. Nevertheless, scrolling down, I'm seeing a lot of different products, mainly t-shirts. We've got some masks, we've got some stickers there, and they have sticker packs. For those that may have not understood what I meant by a sticker pack before, you surely do now. This is what it looks like: multiple images on one sticker. And as I scroll through, I'm seeing text-based designs, and I'm seeing a lot of sticker styled, cartoon style designs. These are all things that sell through Redbubble. Now, if you're watching this video, you're new and you're starting out, or you've been on Redbubble for a while and you've been struggling, this is the kind of theme you want your shop to have at the start. There's a variation of things there, a lot of things that could potentially get this person sales, and a lot of places where you have designs that can allow the shop to grow. I'm going to click on this design here, and it says, as you can see, coffee is my vaccine. Now, obviously, coffee, for those who don't know, is something that does quite well in regards of Redbubble and sales. Don't know why a lot of people love coffee and they like to buy things that show that they love coffee. So through that little short description, this obviously fits the bill, as you guys can see. In this title, I'll probably add in a few more keywords. For example, my title would be coffee is my vaccine, coffee lover. And then obviously the product is added by Redbubble for those who don't know. Now, scrolling through, I can see that this is activated on only 71 products, so I would most definitely make sure that it's activated on more, if not everything. Scrolling down to the tags, I can see that they've used some decent looking tags here. They've not gone too crazy with the tags, and I mean, this is something I would probably advise them to keep doing, because the tags look like they have a lot of keywords packed in there. The design looks nice, very, very clean. Definitely a 5-star design right there, if you ask me. If you're getting sales with aprons, I always recommend for people to keep the front product that's getting them sales. But if there's no sales coming from this particular product, I always ask you guys to look towards these 4 products. So you have the stickers, you have greetings cards, kids clothing, and you also have face masks. Those kind of things on Redbubble seem to sell quite a lot. Now, onto our next shop, we have this shop right here. Now, it goes by Art by Suman. Now, the one downside of this shop is the fact that there's no logo or banner to accompany some of the great designs that I can see on this shop. There's only 89 designs. They've not quite gone over 100, but the main reason I'm featuring this shop in this video is for the designs. They've got a featured collection at the top, which looks very attractive. They've titled it Hobbies, and obviously these are hobby-based designs. It looks like they've kind of tried to create kind of a scalable theme to designs where you could easily change one word and create multiple designs from one idea. A little bit lower down, we're seeing more additional collections here, which is always good to see. And then when I scroll down, you can see there's a lot of designs mainly on t-shirts. Now, one thing I would advise for this person to do is to create a variation of products that their designs show up on. Now, t-shirts are all well and good, but this is Redbubble. Best-selling product on Redbubble is a sticker. Stickers do very well, so I would at least have some of the front images as stickers, if that does well. Obviously, there's things out there like greetings cards and other products I mentioned on the last shop I spoke about. Now, I'm going to click on this design here, and they've titled this I love surfing summer beach. Personally, I would have the keyword surf in there somewhere else as well, so you would have surfing and surf in the title. Scrolling down, we can see this person has activated this on pretty much everything, which is always good to see. The description has a lot of good keywords in there, which is always good to see. And then looking at the tags, they've added some nice keywords that are actually in relation to the design, which is always good to see. These are the kinds of things that you guys want to be doing that are struggling. Designs like this usually tend to do quite well, mainly because people like this style of design. Might not seem like it at the moment, but trust me guys, it definitely does make a big difference. The next shop we have is this shop right here, guys. As you can see, it is called Yennis, as you can see there. Now there's 107 designs, so another shop over 100. Most of these shops, if not all of them, have all had a featured collection and collections just below, which is always great to see. And this shop has more of a simple style to it, which is what I like. When you look at the banner, even the banner looks really cool. The logo could potentially match the banner a bit better. They've actually got a collection here called Word Scramble, which has this unique style which looks really cool if you ask me, and I feel like they could jump into so many niches using this word scramble style and do quite well with that. And that's something that you need to kind of figure out for yourself, guys. You need to find a style that you could apply to a lot of niches very easily. One, because it will save you time, and two, because it will make life a lot easier when you're actually coming up with ideas moving forward. Now, a lot of these designs look cool. They've got them on stickers, they've got sticker packs, as you guys can see here, and they are doing everything right if you ask me. The only thing I would add to this is maybe other products like kids clothing, mainly because they have really colorful designs, and I feel like colorful designs work well with kids clothing. I'm gonna click on this design right here that says find me at the beach. Obviously, as we're getting into summer, this is something that would be doing quite well. I actually feel like this was trending not too long ago. The title itself is a good title. I mean, I would add more summer-based keywords in the title. Scrolling down, it's activated on 91 products, near enough everything with good related tags. I love the look of this shop. This is definitely one of the 5-star looking shops we have in this episode. And to finish us off today, we have another shop of high standard, and it is called SASG Designs, as you guys can see there, and they're coming in with a whopping 186 designs, which look very professional if you ask me. Featured collection at the top, more collections just below, and the designs are very creative on a range of products. They've even got sticker packs in there. Power of sticker packs is a lot stronger than you guys think, for those who don't know. And just to kind of click onto a design, I'm gonna go on a sticker pack. So they've titled this Mics and Microphones Collection Stickers. Obviously the sticker was added there by Redbubble. I would find more unique keywords to throw in there, maybe to niche down. So it could be a genre of music, or it could be the names of these particular mics, just to kind of niche down a bit more. Overall, all of these shops have a great look to them if you ask me. I mean, today was just one of those episodes where, if I could say so myself, the quality of these shops were 5-star. A lot of them don't really need to change too much. It's pretty much doing more of the same and then tweaking a few bits here and there. If you enjoyed it, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you aren't missing out on any videos. There's a lot more to come. Down in the comment section, if you made it to this point of the video, comment down better and stronger, and I'll do my best to respond to as many of you guys as possible now that I'm feeling better. Nevertheless, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.